Bob's birthday. Bob was very happy. It was his birthday. He woke up early. His mother and father gave him a big hug and said, "Happy birthday, son! Look what we have for you." They were carrying a puppy. That was his present. He named the puppy Max. Bob had breakfast. He then took Max for a walk. Later, Mother took Bob and Max to the park. Some of Bob's friends were also in the park. They played on the swing, slide, seesaw, and jungle gym. After that, they played with a ball. Max ran after the ball. His friends ran after him. Bob's mother made the children play some party games. There were prizes for all those who won the games. After some time, they sat down for a picnic. There was a cake which looked like a zoo. There were 6 candles on the cake. Bob's friends sang "Happy Birthday" and clapped. Bob cut the cake and blew out the candles. They ate sandwiches, chips, cookies, and cake. Then they drank some lime juice. The children played for some more time. At 5 o'clock, Bob's mother gave them an ice cream each. Then the children started to leave. Bob, Max, and Mother were the last to go home. Later that evening, Bob opened his presents. He got a puzzle, a Beyblade, a cricket set, a video game, a pencil box, and many other presents. Bob told his parents it was his best birthday ever. He wrote a thank you note to them and put it under his father's pillow. He was happy and tired. He soon fell asleep with a smile on his face. Before falling asleep, he told his parents which present he liked the most. Can you guess what it was?